Hello to our favorite audience of Twinkle Thomas Food TV. Today we're going to make spaghetti with an amazing sausage sauce for that. The main things that we need for this is sausage, onions, some tomatoes, and basil leaves. For the beginning, all you have to do is cutting down the sausage into small pieces like as you see in the video. Later, let's go on and cut down the onion as well into half moons. You can have the spaghetti boiled beforehand while you are doing all of these cutting down processes, and continue with cutting down the basil. Here it is. Next thing you have to do is peeling off the tomatoes and cutting them down as well into small pieces again. Make sure the spaghetti is being cooked while we are doing all of the other stuff, and let's go on with the sauce. You can add some olive oil or into the pan and add there the onion. Let it be cooked, and after it add a little add the rest of the sausages. Let it be cooked a little bit again, and then add the tomatoes to it. Mix it properly. You can add half cup of water, a little bit of salt, a little bit of red pepper, and some basil leaves, of course. Mix this properly, and whenever done, you'll be ready to add it to the spaghetti, the sauce, and you will be ready to taste it. You can design it with a beautiful basil leaves, and it will be ready to be served. Hope you will like it. Good appetite!